friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be making coconut cake. So we're going to start by combining 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl. The flour has already been sifted. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Also 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. And lastly, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to whisk this together and make sure everything combines beautifully. Once done, set this aside. Go ahead and bring in 1/2 cup of butter into another bowl. Add in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Now we are going to cream the butter and the sugar until it turns out smooth and light yellow in color. You can scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue whisking. Once the butter is pale yellow in color, go in with 2 large eggs, so I'm going in with 1 at a time. Next, go in with 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Without the beater, I'm just going to gently fold in the flour mixture. So I'm just going in with a little at a time. Once your butter is well combined, just like this, lightly grease your baking pan with oil or butter. Place the parchment paper in the middle. This will help your coconut cake to come out easily once it's baked. Now transfer the butter into the pan. Once you're done adding the butter into the pan, tap it a few times to level it. Next, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. And make sure you have preheated your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now take this into the preheated oven and bake for 35 to 45 minutes. So guys, our coconut cake is out of the oven. Once you insert a skewer in the middle and it comes out clean without sticking to it, it means your coconut cake is ready. Now you need to cool this on a cooling rack for about 10 minutes before you take it out of the pan. I just want to show you how moist our coconut cake is. This is really soft, moist, and has a very wonderful flavor. I love the flavor of coconut in this coconut cake. Okay. And I love this coconut cake. I hope you try this out and let me know what you think about it. This is good. Try this out and leave me your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to share and click on the like button. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any video whenever it's uploaded. Until next time guys, thank you for supporting me. Bye for now.